Meet Stulife, a revolutionary website built for students by students.
Stulife is an all-in-one website that can literally tell you everything. Really, I mean everything. Don't use the old-fashioned school websites that your school provides. This can tell you the weather, boomer news, dictionary, and you can write notes on it. This makes it more convenient just by searching one website instead of multiple. It's what every student needs.
Be sure to be the first ones to use this revolutionary website. It might go global, I'm just saying. And you can be the cool kid if you use this first. Be the beta tester. So first of all, Stulife has many features that will greatly benefit students, as it is all on one website. It has news that updates daily. It has a calendar that shows all of the school events and all the Peel holidays and events happening, as well as a weather searching application that tells you the weather in any location. At the moment, it's telling me about Port Credit, but I can search for Paris in France, and it'll tell me the weather there. Next, in the notes section, we have a dictionary and a notes section. And so in this case, I have notes from the day before, from math class, and today I'm taking English notes, but I don't know what a soliloquy means, and I don't want to embarrass myself in front of the class, so I can easily search it up and understand what it means, and here
Soliloquy.
a pronunciation, so that I do not embarrass myself and say soliloquy. In Stulife, we use a open weather map API to retrieve the weather data. We use the Google Calendar API to embed this Google Calendar in and have all the Peel events happening shown. And we use the Merriam-Webster Dictionary API to retrieve all the dictionary data and the voiceovers.
Anyways, for full access to the site, it'll start at $69. Just kidding, we're not Apple, it's free.
Thank you for listening.